Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to give you a brief overview of how CodeMate education functions. Let's dive in. We're starting with an overview of two main sections, the teacher dashboard for teachers and the student dashboard for students. I'll begin by guiding you through the teacher section. Imagine this is the dashboard you access as a teacher. Here you can monitor the total number of students, total assignments, and more. These are the assignments that I've assigned to the students. Next up, there's the class leaderboard. If I want to add a new classroom or switch to another one, I can explore the available classrooms from here. We've set up several classes like Practice Python, Practice DSA, Machine Learning Lab, Deep Learning Lab, and Gen AI Lab. Let's enter the Machine Learning Lab to see how it functions. If you wish to create a new assignment, you'll find it in the class dashboard. Here, you can track recent assignments, including who has submitted them. You can also check whether the assignments have been submitted or not. To create a new assignment, I can set a task, such as implementing logistic regression from scratch using NumPy that will be added in the title. Regarding the problem statement, we should outline the key aspects of the question. I will provide a detailed description of the question for the students. I can also set the difficulty level for this question, easy, medium, or otherwise. There's a due date, and since this involves NumPy, I'll tag it with the NumPy topic. The platform allows for the inclusion of test cases, but we'll skip that for now. Once I publish the assignment, we can return to the dashboard. Back at the dashboard, we can view the assignments we've published. This new assignment is now live. In addition to the class features where assignments are displayed, there's a Learn section. Here, I can share my screen to teach students directly, which is great for sharing class content. That's the gist of the teacher dashboard. Now, as I'll switch for a walkthrough of the student section, let me give you a quick overview of how CodeMate education works for students. Once you log in with your credentials, here you'll see all the classrooms you're enrolled in. Let's dive into the machine learning lab to explore the assignments. Once inside, you'll find a dashboard displaying various statistics such as the longest streak, coding accuracy, and any pending assignments you might have. In addition to this, there's a cool feature called Playground, which is our inbuilt compiler from CodeMate. You'll also find the assignment section where you can view both submitted and pending assignments. Moreover, the Learn section contains content shared by the teacher to help you grasp the material more effectively. You can access and work on assignments right here, making it easy to stay on top of your coursework. Let's go ahead and try to tackle one of the assignments available here. You can see there are 4 assignments listed, so I'll pick one and click on Start Assignment. Now I'll read through the question carefully. Once I have a good understanding, I'll head over to my Playground, which is the built-in compiler by CodeMate, and start working on the solution. I'll write the code for this question and run it in the compiler to see the results. I notice there's an error in the code. To get to the bottom of it, I'll ask, what is the issue? The feedback points to 2 areas, the sigmoid function and parameter update. I'm not too familiar with the sigmoid function, so I need some guidance. I can easily consult the CodeMate AI tutor for help. I'll ask, what is a sigmoid function in machine learning and how do I implement it using NumPy? The tutor provides a detailed explanation of the sigmoid function, which helps me understand it better. With this knowledge, I can proceed to incorporate it into my code. With the sigmoid function sorted out, I feel ready to move on. That's one part of the issue resolved. The next problem relates to the weights and bias component of the code. I'll explore how this works by asking the CodeMate AI tutor for insights, especially regarding parameter updates. It seems there's some concept I need to understand regarding bias and logistic regression. The AI tutor gives me a thorough explanation, boosting my understanding. Armed with this new knowledge, I can refine the code to improve the results. I think this new solution should work perfectly. Once everything is in place, I'll run the code again to check if the issues are resolved. It turns out the accuracy is now at its peak, indicating success, and I've got the correct result. With the correct code in hand, I'll copy it and navigate back to the assignment section. Once there, I'll start the assignment and paste in my solution. After pasting, I'll hit submit. There's an option to explain the solution as well, but for now, I'll just submit the code. Great, the assignment has been submitted. Now I just need to wait and see how the evaluation process unfolds. Now let me walk you through the evaluation part. Once I access the teacher dashboard, I can easily locate the evaluation pending section. From there, I can just click on it to proceed. Here I can view exactly how many submissions are present and check the evaluation status for each student, including their email IDs and all relevant details. This is where I manage and evaluate all the submissions. By selecting Instant Evaluation, the AI can automatically generate results and provide me with a comprehensive evaluation. This feature displays various statistics like average score, efficiency, problem-solving skills, and more. Additionally, I can access a detailed report outlining what transpired during the problem-solving process. The submissions made by the student displayed by here itself, offering clear insights. The system presents the scores, a summary of the submission, areas for improvement, and any issues identified, complete with specific examples. The final assessment, based on the given metrics, is shown here. This report offers a thorough overview of necessary actions and improvements. The entire report is also sent to the student, showcasing all these statistics which are crucial for their development. That's the extent of what CodeMate Education offers, and I hope everything is clear to you. Thank you very much.